Joe Wentworth here at Peerless AV, and we want to show you the new SR860 mobile carts. So this is a complete design that includes a shelf. Up top here you can see we have some ACC UCM component mounting plates. This allows you to mount media players, mini PCs, or other AV devices behind that cart and keep all of the cabling managed up behind that display. It comes with a 3-outlet extension cord, so everything lives up behind that display. If we look at the back side of the cart, we have a hinged cover here that stores your power cord, so it's easy to wrap that up, move it to where it needs to go, so quick deploys. Here is the rear cover that's removable. This is made of ABS so that it does not degrade any Wi-Fi signals. So everything is nice and neat, hidden behind that cover. If we take a look at our SR898, this is more of a real-world application with a media player mounted on back of it, along with Logitech rally bar. And you can see all the cabling done behind it. There's no cabling drooping down on the sides of it. Everything is routed internal for a nice clean install. So if you want to come take a look at this, you can come to the Peerless AV booth or reach out to us at peerlessav.com.